The last time we heard that the OnePlus 13 is coming with a quad curve display with no side top and bottom chain similar to the Xiaomi 14 OE new rear design with circular module containing triple cameras, 6000 mAh battery thanks to all new Glacier battery technology which is a lot thinner compared to normal batteries and can fit easily without making the device sicker. Then there's gonna be an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner which is fast, secure and works around water and dust as well. Now some official news coming in from OnePlus suggests that they'll be using the BOE X2 panel and their display is gonna be even more brighter with better colors and with better eye protection. So this means we'll see even higher PWM frequency, I guess 4320 Hz. The OnePlus Troy got 2160 Hz which is still one of the best displays out there. So yes, with the OnePlus 13, the experience is gonna be even better. BCS says you may see the OnePlus 13 announced maybe late October or early November. If you OnePlus confirms that the new BOE X2 device will be available next month, that is in October. So get ready guys, start selling. The best-in-class flagship from OnePlus is coming soon. Some massive news coming in from BCS suggests that the OnePlus 13 is gonna have IP68 and IP69 certification for dust and water resistance. The OnePlus 12 had IP65, so they got this Aqua Touch feature which allows you to scroll and use display even with water on top. So now with IP69 and all the exciting features, the OnePlus 13 is gonna be very water resistant. Finally, the icing on cake is going to be Qualcomm's 8 Gen 4 flagship silicon. Yes, the Qualcomm 8 Gen 4 is coming out in October and it's going to use Orion architecture plus will be based on PSMC 6nm processor. So this alone is a huge reason why you should wait for the OnePlus 13. So with a massive battery and 8 Gen 4 powerful and power efficient silicon, this device is going to last more than a day, that is for sure. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below and I meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.